You got one for, yeah, for us. If you want to run, we've been waiting for you. If you'd like to climb, we've been waiting for you. Wherever you're from, we're glad that you've come. We've been waiting for you to come to this place. How about you, Beth? You got one too?
And if you'd like to laugh, we've been waiting for you. And if you want to play, we've been waiting for you.
Wherever you're from, we're glad that you've come. We've been waiting for you to come to this place. We've been waiting for you to come to this place. Waiting for you to come to this place. Wherever you're from, we're glad that you've come. We've been waiting for you to come to this place.
All right, let's look and see who's here today.
If you want to wait.
Let's see, because today is such an exciting day. We are going to walk to the post office. And guess what we're going to see?
Litter!
And lots of boxes. We've been talking about boxes. And at the post office, we're going to see all kinds of... You have a mailbox at your house? That is a very special thing to have. So we're going to go and see all of the boxes, and we're going to mail, remember the cards we made? Today is the day we're going to go to the post office and put them in the post office. We're going to mail them. So let's sing our names and see who's here today. Here we are together, together. Oh, here we are together, all sitting on the rug. There's Ami and Adam and Sanjana and Naishu and Vishwanita and Liva and Om and Liam. Here we are together, all sitting on the rug. Here we are together, together. Oh, here we are together, all sitting on the rug. There's Neil and Ayush and Aryan and Kayla. There's Ashu and Vihu and Malhar and Cameron. I think we did Neil, didn't we do Neil? We did Neil, we can do him again, and Cameron. Here we are together, all sitting on the rug. Yay! Let's get out our hands for open shut them. Who are we going to trick today? Did we sing? We sang Ayush's name, yes? Who said Ayush?
Let's read this after.
All right. Open, shut them, give a little tap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth. Try one more time? Let's try one more time. Come and sit down. We'll try it one more time. Let's see. Are you ready? Open, shut them, give a little tap, tap, tap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Ooh. People are watching. Creep them, crawl them.